How to fix login and network connection issues in Legend Fighter Mortal Battle. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you're having trouble signing in or the game keeps showing a network connection error, then there are several troubleshooting steps you can try. The first thing you want to make sure is that you are entering the correct login credentials if you are using a linked account. Check that your Google account, Apple account, or other linked account is signed in properly. Now the next thing you want to do is to close the game off completely. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and push the app card upwards to force close the Legend Fighter game and launch the game open again. This will restart your game and it might help you with network connections or login issues. If the problem still continues, then the next thing to do is to make sure that you check your device's internet connection. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your mobile data, or you can also reset your router so that you can get the best connection while playing the game. If the problem still persists, then the next thing you want to do is to restart your phone or your tablet. Press and hold the power switch and restart your device. Once you are done restarting your device, make sure to open up the Legend Fighter game and check if the problem still continues. If it still does not work, then the next thing you can do is to go ahead and check for the latest update of the game. Open up your Google Play Store or your App Store. In the search bar, type in Legend Fighter, and from the search result, look if there is an update button available. If you see the update button, tap on it to get the latest version of the app, which often comes up with bug fixes and performance improvement. So after updating the app, launch the game open again, and this might be able to help you with your issues. So those were some of the common troubleshooting steps that can resolve most login and network connection issues in Legend Fighter Mortal Battle. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.